everyone, my name is Karen. Welcome to my channel and I review perfume. So I have a lot of new little samples to try, and I'm gonna divide this into two different parts. The first part is probably gonna be a little bit quick because I'm gonna talk about samples that didn't work for me. The other one, part two, or not part two, will be samples that I tried and were a like and or love. I didn't really want to include the ones that didn't work for me in the love collection because I don't know, I just thought I'll keep the fails, my fails, on one side. But anyways, I had cleaned out so many samples. I really was trying to get rid of them because those samples, man, I ended up with bowls of them, and they were just everywhere. So I really tried to give them away, sell them, you know, all that kind of stuff. But as soon as it was getting low, I ended up buying two huge, not huge, I think about 20, no more than that, 25 new samples, I think, from two different places. Anyway, so these are the ones that didn't work out for me, and also one that I just tried at the store. So the first one I'm going to talk about is Burberry Goddess Intense. Everyone knows Burberry Goddess. I have Burberry Goddess over there. I'm not going to get up and get it because I'm lazy this morning. And I liked Burberry Goddess. I think I loved it in the beginning. It's a vanilla. It's got 3 different kinds of vanilla. It's got some cacao. It's got some ginger. It's very strong. It's very strong. And actually I'm attempting to sell it because I just don't reach for it. And I just find it's too much for me. But this is Burberry Goddess Intense. I see it was at Shoppers Drug Mart yesterday. And that was actually the second time I had sprayed this perfume. And for some reason, I don't smell this as much as the original. The original is like a bomb for me. This one, not so much. The notes are vanilla, vanilla absolute, bourbon vanilla, caviar vanilla, which is an aroma chemical, if I remember correctly. And then, the top is lavender and the bottom is patchouli. So this is basically vanilla patchouli with a little bit of lavender. Now, lavender is not really my thing, so maybe that sways you. If you're not into lavender, be cautious. If you love lavender, it might be your thing. I don't know. It's a dry, like a not sweet vanilla with patchouli. There's a little bit of lavender. I don't get this one very strongly. And even when I smell this the next day, it has, to me, it smells almost like ambroxan. That's what I get. And yeah, not a love. I know some people are loving this and I'm happy for them, but for me, this is a pass. So, but I'm curious what everyone else thinks because I'm sure it'll be very popular, and the first one was a huge hit. So the next one is, oh my God, I honestly don't even want to touch this. So this is Amouage Guidance. I bought this. Can I put it over here? Can you tell? Anyways, I touched it. I'm not spraying that. So everyone knows Guidance by Amouage is, it came out last year, I think, and there's a new one, Amouage Guidance Extrait, that I think is even more popular or equally as popular. This is a very divisive perfume. It's woody, amber, fruity. It has got a lot of different notes in there. There is pear, hazelnut, olibanum, saffron, rose, osmanthus, jasmine, and then the dry down is sandalwood, vanilla, akigaya wood, ambergris, and labdanum. A lot of notes, a lot of different things. When I sprayed it, my husband, his reaction was, wow, there's a lot going on there. And that's a good analysis, actually, from an outside nose. There's been some really, really funny reviews. Some people compare it to armpits, lady parts, smelly up and down. Other people think it is the best smelling sandalwood they've ever had. It's in their, top 10 for life. I'm happy for both those people. I think I'm somewhere in the middle. I didn't love it. I didn't hate it either. It didn't smell like armpits to me. But it smelled very complex, and I'm not sure that I liked it. I was just sort of intrigued. I was intrigued is a good way to describe it. Now, this is where I have a problem with it. That thing is like Alien. You know the movie Alien, where it just keeps coming back? Like, I'm serious. I think it seeps through the bottle because I didn't even want to touch it. And after this video, I think I'm going to sell it because if you spray that, get ready to smell it for 3 days. It permeates, it gets in your skin, it gets in the wood, it gets in the walls, it gets in everything. It is like a piece of toilet paper that you step on at the airport that you're walking around and you just cannot shake that thing. That is what guidance is to me. I'm sorry if you love it. I'm happy for you, but that thing is going out the door. So that's Guidance by Amouage. And I am a huge fan of Quinton Biche, but not that. So anyways, enough. Moving on. The next one is Elysium pour Femme by Roja Dove. I was very, very interested to try this because it has one of the most beautiful bottles I've ever seen. Is like, I'll put a picture up right there. It's like, you know, pink and purple and, you know, shimmery, not shimmery, but you can see through it. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So this one, it's a citrus floral. It has a lot of berries up top, bergamot, orange, peach. I actually was going to blind buy it because I was like, this looks amazing. I really want this, but I don't like peach. And I was like, I'll try it. But freesia, magnolia, lily of the valley, jasmine, ylang ylang, geranium, and then musk, pink pepper, sandalwood, cedarwood. This was not a love match for me. I'm glad I sampled it and didn't buy it. It is a little bit like My Way perfume to my nose. I'm not sure what that's about because I think My Way has tuberose in it, but the magnolia maybe. It has what I would call a stinky factor. The flower dry down, the underlying flower smell is a little bit, it doesn't smell good to me. I don't know, maybe that's the peach because I don't like peach, but yeah, not for me. So I tried that one. I was very sad because I wanted to buy it. No, moving on. The next one is Levant by Ormonde Jayne. This also was recommended by a popular YouTuber, and so I took my time. It's not cheap, and I got a sample. So this is a citrus white floral. It has a lot of notes: orange, tangelo, orange blossom, peony, jasmine, lily of the valley. So yeah, nope. Didn't work for me, didn't work for me. It's almost the same thing as Elysium. It was like My Way, but like bad smelling with, there's like a stinky, in my nose, there's like a stinky flower thing. It's just my nose. If you love it, don't take offense. People love this perfume. I don't know what's wrong with my nose. Yeah, it's not my favorite, so that's not gonna be a buy for sure. After that, I bought a sample of Sous le Pont Mirabeau. So this is a famous bridge in Paris. And this is by État Libre d'Orange. So yeah, marine, woody, aquatic, ozonic, green. So there's another YouTuber that highly recommends this as a musky scent. I'm all over the musky scents. I love them. I did not like this. Yeah, it really didn't work for me. I think it has some fig leaf in it. It also has orchinox, which looks like fir. I'm not really sure. That's some sort of aroma chemical. What do I say about this? I love musks, but I did not love this. It really was a wash off for me. I'm not sure why. I'm beginning to see that fig leaf and fig notes are really not for me. So that's okay. Not everything has to be a love match. I really, really wanted to love this, and it seemed like on paper I would, but no. Sous le Pont Mirabeau, nope, pass for me. So those are the 5 perfumes that didn't work out for me. What are some perfumes that have been highly touted that didn't work for you? Give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and subscribe if you can, and if not, that's fine. Have a wonderful day. Thanks, bye.